Today we got iPhone 6s touch screen not working and we are going to solve this problem. We can press the power button. As you can see, the screen is not touching, nothing is moving. The home button is not working, it's down, it should be broken inside or whatever. As we all know, if the home button is not working, then we can't force the device to restart to check if the error from the screen or it's a software issue. I'm trying power button with volume down button, just a try to see if this will do anything, but as we all know, this won't do anything. So I had to open the device, unplug the battery and then plug the battery back and then test if the problem has been gone or not. Okay, let's open the device, remove these two screws. This screw is not moving, it's a problem. The second one is removing, I was able to remove it fast. This one, the other one, is not removing at all. There is a lot of cases the one screw is like damaged and I can't remove it from the housing. That's a problem. We can just broke the screen to remove it. We need to remove it. I have tried all the ways I know, pushing the screen somehow a little, then force the screw to be removed, but it's not moving. I tried different screws and the same thing. I figured out something is to use the knife. Using the knife, I was able to remove the screw successfully. This is too annoying to remove screw doesn't move. At least after all of this time, I was able to remove it. Finally, the screw is almost out, it's out. Let's celebrate. Okay, unplug the screen. The screen somehow is not perfectly. The frame is out from the screen. It's no matter. The customer said just to put the screen back working. Remove the two screws, then remove battery bracket. We have the bracket of the fingerprint flex cable is at the top of the phone. I don't know what they did to this phone. There is no screws down there. Unplug the battery, put the battery in, power on the device is powering on. As you can see, the fingerprint flex cable is damaged, it's cut. So the customer didn't want for a fix, he just wanted the device to be work on again. As you can see, the problem has been gone. We just have a software issue, so the screen is working properly without any damage. Now we are going just to assemble the phone and let the customer know. Our job has been done. I'm going just to put back the fingerprint, the broken fingerprint flex cable in position, and that's it. They just asked for a low cost, and that's what we did to them. Low cost, they asked, and that's it. Don't forget to support the channel by subscribing and like. we were able to solve this problem fast. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video. See ya. Like, subscribe, enable the ring. Click subscribe in the circle. For any questions, write it below.